guys, welcome back. So it's been an interesting day. So right now I have to go to the store, pick up a couple things. But yeah, see you in a second. Alright, so I'm back at home. Actually, I had to go to the store to pick up a tripod because my tripods are currently not here. So I had to go pick up a new one, just like a temporary. Alright, so this is a little model, but it was supposed to be white, but I got silver. It is a white McLaren 720S. So this is a little hint to what's actually coming in at hopefully the end of the month, or at least maybe I'll get one of the two for now. Alright, so they have arrived. I gave you the little hint of the McLaren 720S, which the shape may or may not give away what they are. But yeah, let's get to unboxing them. Alright. And Chris, thank you for using a ton of tape to make sure these things are nice and secure. Ooh, look at that. So as you can obviously tell, this is a wheel, and the McLaren 720S hint kind of gives away. But not only that, this wheel was run on the Nürburgring. And that's actually melted rubber from the Nürburgring. Some more pieces right there. That is really cool. All right, so let's get this thing out of the box. Oh my gosh. These look so good. So the reason I'm getting these, which you could probably see right along the outside edge, this little scrape. There's also another little scrape right here. Yeah, this is actually a wheel off of a McLaren 720S that drives on the Nürburgring almost every single day, all day. It's being run hard. Also, my friend Chris got to ride passenger in that car, and there will be a link in the description down below with that video of the 720S like running hard on the Nürburgring, and it's really cool, so go check that out. But I do want to thank Apex for this opportunity because, so these are the wheels that came off of their 720S. Thank you so much for allowing me to receive these. Like, this is like the coolest thing ever. I have some really awesome plans for these wheels that I hope you guys love, but as long as I love it, that's all that matters really. But yeah, I'm definitely going to show some videos of that in the future. Also hit the subscribe button down below, turn on notifications, so when I post those videos, you guys can be notified and you can check those out. It's going to be really awesome. And also, thank you, Chris, for spending the time and effort into packaging these things up, shipping them off. Yeah, now I'm going to open up the other one. All right, so now we're opening up the other wheel. All right, so just like the other wheel, very minor damage along the edge here. A little bit there. It's not too bad. Some scuffs here. This one actually has a little bit more damage than the other one does. Yeah, so this is the front. The other one was the rear. Thank you again, especially to Apex. And if you guys want to ride in a McLaren 720S, like a legit real one, on the Nürburgring, check out Apex's website. It's in the link down below. They have some of the best opportunities in the world to ride in exotic supercars on the Nürburgring. I unfortunately have never ridden in one of the supercars that they have. I never gave myself the opportunity. I was either too busy filming other people on the track or I was driving on the track myself. So if you enjoyed this video, click the like button down below. Also hit subscribe, turn on notifications to see any upcoming videos. You never know what you're going to see on this channel because there's a lot of kind of random stuff, but a lot of it involves cars and a little bit of traveling. Stuff like this was kind of unexpected. It just kind of popped up one day. Yeah, definitely like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.